Here's some tips and facts about drinking water. Number 1, it helps lubricate all your body, its functions, and your organs. Number 2, it doesn't count if you're putting flavorings in your water. It takes away from the purpose of the water. Number 3, it is okay to add fresh fruit to your water to give it a little bit of flavor. Number 4, a really good way to determine how much water you should drink, just a really good generic rule of thumb, is to take however much you weigh. So if I weigh 120 pounds, half of that is 60 pounds. I want to try to drink 60 ounces of water a day. So half of your weight in ounces a day is a really good rule of thumb on how much water you should be drinking. Number 5, did you know a lot of your symptoms can actually be improved and even go away just by drinking more water? Got a headache? Drink more water. Got a little brain fog? You could be dehydrated. Lacking energy? Chug-a-lug some water. Like and follow me for more healthy eating and cooking tips.